Hi, welcome to another episode of Trini Bites. Today I'll be showing you how to make curry shrimp. These are the ingredients. I have 4 pounds of shrimp already deveined and cleaned, milk, green seasoning, less than a quarter of Scotch bonnet pepper, salt, Amchar masala, black pepper, curry, and this is the eggplant. So now I'm going to just season the shrimp with the green seasoning, the black pepper, salt, and the hot pepper. And I'm just going to give it a stir. So I've just preheated my pot and I'm now going to add just a touch of oil because I don't cook with a lot of oil, and the pot is already hot. So I'm going to just throw in the black masala. As you can see, it's hot already. And then I'll throw in the curry as well. And the first thing you want to do is to cook the baigan, and let the baigan melt for a little bit, and then we'll toss the shrimp in. But in the meantime, I'm trying to get the curry into a nice paste, and then I'll toss the baigan in. I'm gonna put some water in just to get the curry into a paste. Because the curry have to cook before you throw anything in. Once you see the curry looks smooth, then you can toss the baigan in. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the baigan in. And once the baigan gets melted into the curry, then I'll toss the shrimp in and the milk. So I'm just gonna put in some water and so that this can cook. Okay, so in like 10 minutes we're gonna check the eggplant again, and then we'll see if it's just right to toss the shrimp in. So now after 10 minutes I'm gonna check to see how the eggplant is melting down. So as you can see, it's already melting up. So you can just take a spoon and squish it to melt it up even more, because you can see that it's already cooked. So now that the baigan is melted, I'm going to toss the shrimp in, and I'm going to let this cook for like 5 minutes before I put the milk in, because the shrimp doesn't need a lot of cooking. So I'm going to leave this for 5-10 minutes, and then I'll toss the milk in. Now I'm going to check the shrimp again and look at the beautiful color it has right now with the curry and the eggplant. So now I'm going to toss the milk in, and we'll leave this for another 5 minutes. Okay, so now I'm gonna check the shrimp again, and as you can see, the Baigan is melted. I just tasted it and it's just delicious. So at this point, I'm gonna turn the stove off, and it's time to have dinner. Okay, so this is the end product. You can serve this with rice, you can serve it with salad. Anything you like to eat with shrimp, you can have it. And I'm just gonna take a taste now. So good. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.